What's going on, guys? Let's go ahead and check out the 2006 Toyota Sienna XLE. This is the luxury version of the Siennas, and you can see it all in the interior as well as a little bit on the exterior as well. Starting it off, you got yourself your fog lights in the front, the alloy rims with great tread on the tire. You got yourself your roof rack at the top, as well as a spoiler on the back, and your rear wiper. Go ahead and take a look inside. As you can see, it has the wood trim imitation with a little compartment on the side, which brings the controls to the DVD. You got yourself your power windows, your power locks, and your power mirrors right here, as well as the memory seats for the power seats right along the door. On the steering wheel, you have all of your voice commands for your phone calls, as well as your stereo commands right there with all your cruise settings right behind the steering wheel. You have all of your vent controls right there. You can actually turn off the back door from being able to open, and the slide door since they're both power as well. In the middle, you got yourself your cup holders, compartment right in there, as well as another pretty massive compartment right down the middle. Two cup holders right here for the rear passengers. Small compartment right there. 12-volt port here with an additional one right next to it. Another compartment right in there in case it's needed. Seat warmers, or as we like to say, seated heats right here. You have all of your temperature controls for both the front passenger and driver, as well as all of the rear passengers, which they all have individual, as you can see, individual vents. A nice little mirror right there, so you can take a look at the things that are going on. You have yourself the rear view mirror, a really massive visor with a little mirror right there to make sure that you're looking pretty for the day, as well as a moonroof. Your garage settings right here, and all of your controls for the right here for the rear trunk as well. Oh, with bottle holders along the doors. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Toyotas are known to have amazing lives, so this thing has barely been broken in with only 162,000 miles. It is equipped with the JBL premium sound system, so you got yourself speaker right there, speakers up at the top right there, speakers all along the doors to give you a real rich, crisp sound when you're driving. So it is also equipped with the automatic doors, as I stated a little bit earlier, and it has the captain chairs for the middle passengers as well. An additional two cup holders right there in case you needed them. The DVD player that I was talking about right there. And coming in the rear, you have the 60-40 split, so in case you did need to bring it down, it even has a little handle right here to do so, with two cup holders there with a little compartment on the side, as well as two cup holders right there and another compartment right there. The AC outlet for the rear passengers, and the ports right there for the DVD, as well as small speakers right there. In the rear, you have a really deep trunk right there, and as I said a little bit earlier, if you put these down, it can give you even extra room. You can even bring down those two seats and the one right there, which has the plastic backing, so in case you needed to fold it down and carry something that was really long, you're not going to be damaging the leather in any way. You also have yourself another AC outlet right here, as well as a little light case you needed to use it, and a 12-volt port right there with the JBL subwoofer to give you some extra bass in your life. Under the hood, you got yourself your 3.3 liter V6 VVTi engine from the Toyota family. You're looking at about 215 horsepower and roughly around 17 miles to the gallon in the city, and about like 25 or so on the highway. So you're definitely getting a lot of power, getting a very, very comfortable ride out of this vehicle. This was the 2006 Toyota Sienna XLE. Let us know if you have any questions about the vehicle, or if you'd like to set up a time so you can come out and take it out for a drive. Our phone number here is 559-444-0123. As you know, Westland Auto Sales has all of your in-house needs. Whether it's good credit, bad credit, or no credit, our in-house program has you covered. Let us know that you watched the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye!